subtract the sum of this expression and this expression from the sum of this expression and this expression. So we have to answer this in 3 different steps. So let's do this first. Let's find the sum of these 2 expressions. So step 1, you can see it. I've worked it using the vertical method. 3l minus 4m minus 7n square here. 2l plus 3m minus 4n square here. So since we need to add these 2 expressions, there will be no changes in the signs. Let's add. I've placed the like terms one below the other. L terms, m terms, n square terms. Now 3 plus 2, you know we have to simplify the numerical coefficients. 3 plus 2, 5, 5l. Minus 4 plus 3, minus 1, minus 1m or simply minus m. Minus 1m or simply minus m. Minus 4, minus 7, minus 4. Minus 11 n square. So this is the sum of these 2 expressions. Next, let's find the sum of these 2 expressions in step 2. Write out this expression and this expression. See, we have placed the like terms one below the other. L terms, m terms, n square terms. It's addition. We need to find the sum of these 2 expressions. So there is no change in any signs. Now let's add. Plus 9 minus 3. See, 9 meaning plus 9. Plus 9 minus 3 is plus 6. L, 6L. Plus 2 plus 1. Plus m meaning plus 1m. This is plus m meaning plus 1m. So plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3m. Minus 3 plus 4 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1. So plus 1n square or simply plus n square. So now we have found the sum of these 2 expressions in the first step. What's the answer? What's the sum of these 2 expressions? 5l minus m minus 11n square. This is the sum of these 2 expressions. And what is the sum of these 2 expressions? 6l plus 3m plus n square. Now let's read the question using these 2 answers. Subtract. We have the sum of these 2 expressions, right? Let's read it like this. Subtract 5l minus m minus 11n square from, we have the sum of these 2 expressions here. So from 6l plus 3m plus n square. I repeat, subtract 5l minus m minus 11n square from 6l plus 3m plus n square. So how do we do this? Subtract an expression from another expression. So in step 3, the expression that comes after from is written first. So we need to write this expression first, followed by this expression. Now we are going to subtract using the vertical method. So there is something important here. I repeat, from, after from, we have this expression. So we write that first, followed by the other expression, this one. So this is written below the first one. Now we need to subtract. So what we have to do is, we need to change the signs for every term in the second expression. In the second expression, we need to change the signs everywhere. We had 5l. This was originally plus 5l. Make plus minus. Change the sign. Plus 5l becomes minus 5l. The changed sign is shown in the bracket here. Now this is minus m. So minus changes to plus. So now the new sign is plus m. Now this is minus 11n square. Change the sign. Minus becomes plus. So we have plus 11n square. So when we are subtracting using this vertical method, we need to change the signs of every term in the second expression. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. The changed sign should be enclosed in a simple bracket. Now perform the calculations using the new signs. 6L minus 5L. So it is plus 6 minus 5, which is plus 1. Plus 1L or simply L. Plus 3 plus 1. The new sign. Plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. M. Plus 1 plus 11. Plus 1 plus 11. Plus 12. Plus 12 n square. So this is the final answer.